So now this recipe is made with shea butter as base. Shea butter is a soft butter, and this can be used as is, as in cold blended with essential oils of choice, or you can warm it and mix the ingredients and then solidify it again. So this can be used both ways. It's a very soft butter and it is very good for hands and feet and for protecting them in the winter months. And those of you who have an issue with the feet which crack during winters, this is a very good recipe. You will see your skin and skin of hands and feet, all the exposed areas, very soft and plump and in good health.